Hi there. So, since at least 5 people watched my last video, I'll do as promised and show you what I've been doing, and then we'll see, have a look at the mixing on the radio afterwards. But first, in compliance with rule number 1 in RCing, I've disassembled a bit to do some customizing. So I've decided to put this cute little speaker down here at the front, but then of course I had to get my Dremel out and make some holes in the grill. So this will go back here. To get access to all this, I had to remove some of the weights, but I'll hopefully get a lot of them back in afterwards. So Lasse, the guy who built this, is currently doing a series on the build of it. I'll put a link in the description, and then I'll do this series of let's say ruining it again. So I'll just start putting it back together, and we'll see where it goes. By the way, the beauty of being home alone every now and again is that I can use my girlfriend's tools. And of course the kitchen and the whole house as a hobby room. Okay, so the grill is back in, and with the speaker behind it, it's my hack job is unfortunately quite visible, but anyway. Let's get these actuators back in place before I ruin anything. And of course I had to get some more tools, even though I've been into RCing for 35 years or something, and have this one laying everywhere. I had none on the kitchen table. I don't remember if the cables run under or over this. I do it like that for the moment. Like that, and then we will see if we can get, you see with the weights out, there's quite a lot of room in here. A speaker over there, and then this is the sound module with a ESP32 on it. My hope is that I could get it The casing is just to make sure I don't short anything, but of course it doesn't fit that way. I can't get it down there with a speaker in it, and can get it in there without the speaker, but it takes up a lot of the room from the weights. I could cut down the box a bit to raise it. Yeah, maybe I should. It's difficult to see for camera. It's even difficult to see for me. If I and the speaker. So with the speaker in. I think this is a relatively good solution. I got access to the volume potmeter, I got access to the USB port, but still it takes up a lot of room from the weights. So I could cut down the box a bit to raise it, I think. And if it fails, I also got this solution here with the least possible components, the SP32 with the SBUS wire soldered directly onto it, and this one goes to the amplifier like that, and then the power over here. But then it's gonna take a lot of work to. I won't get any light systems from it because I then have to do another module with the LED drivers and stuff. So that's a solution for if I want to do only sound, or if I can't get the big module in. But it's a plan B or C or something. Okay. How I have to get this one in, and then put the weights around it, and then I can take it out again and put the sound module in. Yeah, I think that will be the way to do it. And then two few hands. Slip the speaker in, and then yeah, maybe I can do one less. Let's try that. Rule number 2 of RCing If you're using your girlfriend's dinner table as a workbench, make sure you don't leave any marks. Like that. And then if I can get this underneath. This is of course not good tape. As you can see, I got room for the speaker in front, but still I very much like to put all these weight left. They're everywhere. I have to cut down that sound box, but this is for my tractor. This is with a non-soldered sound module. If you want to know how to assemble this, there's a link in the description for the DIY Guy 999's assembly instructions. Man, this is cool. Okay, so there's a few different ways to go about cutting this. It could be done pretty and accurate with a hacksaw. I could print a new box, or you can do it fast and ugly. Make some marks. And of course the right way would be to not cut any fingers, but let's see how that goes. Every now and again I want more fingers. More fingers, anyone? Would probably just mean more fingers to cut and wires to cut. I'm not that fond of soldering. Let's get this out of the way, and you probably can't see anything of what I'm doing. Probably just speed buttons, so anyway. So, score and snap, or just a hack job? Let's go for the hack job. If you do it like this and you ruin stuff, don't blame it on me. Pretty sure I'm onto something here. I can't go too far back because then I'll hit stuff inside here. So, but there's room for the speaker in front, and I'll a room for the battery on top. Nice. Let's put in some more weights. And then the speaker should... oh, I almost jinxed it. Nothing is simple or just or anything. But if I can get the speaker down here, I think I've succeeded somewhat. Look at that! And I even got room for some more weights. Moment of truth. This is close. This is very, very, very close. This is probably just cable arrangement close. Oh. Please, please, please. This. Okay, so it fits without the battery. Yeah, look at that. Brilliant. One. And then the last one, which also has a plus from the BEC, is the throttle channel. Just have to make sure this is going to the left belt, yeah? To the throttle. So I already planned the mixing on the radio, so that is why I'm trying to remember it correctly. Okay, all ESCs connected. I think it's time for a test, and no, it's not time for a test, it's time to bind the receiver to the transmitter and then do the mixing. But I think I know I promised you this to do it in this video, but I have to make another video for that. So next video will be radio and mixing and testing, and then I'll do a separate one on the sound module. Hopefully I will be able to record how I set it up in the software too. Okay, then maybe I will see you all 30 of you subscribers in the next one. Bye bye.